What's up, traders? Bitcoin is approaching its all-time high, and I wanted to get this quick video out as soon as I could because things could get real pretty quick. So the level to watch is going to be the past all-time high. Everybody's looking at it, and it's going to be a key resistance level. Let me show you what you need to look for. And first, let's look at what we don't want to see. Now, that's the pattern right here. If it stayed as it is, we do not have an actual break yet. And if you go back and you look at this high in 2019, you made a big high, and then you had this bar or these bars right here try to get up to the top and fail. You do not want that. So you don't want to go jumping in now because that's very possible to happen. Same thing happened in the 2017 where you have a move down and then you have a retracement to retest that fails out, and then that sent it down. This happens all over the place. You can look at silver this week. If you watch some of my videos about how the whole short squeeze was a bunch of BS, you would have possibly prepared to play this. This bar on Monday, after all that hype on the weekend about there being a hedge fund short squeeze, it got above the level on the futures, also SLV, same pattern. But then by the end of the day, this bar had closed back inside, and then down it went. And this thing could continue downward too as more people lose hope in it. Here's what you want to see. And we're going to use old Tesla. So Tesla, when it was getting to about this point at its past all-time high, right about here, it had a period of consolidation like we're seeing in Bitcoin. And then here's what the price action did. The price action came up, did not quite get above it, so don't go jumping in just yet. Holding it so far as resistance. Now we have a daily bar that not only broke it, but it closed outside it. And then from there, it went. You might have had a chance for a pullback after a little more confirmation, but that was really what you have to look for, is that bar to close outside of the resistance. A simple closing of a daily bar, weekly better, that would signify that this is a confirmed break of the high. Just looking for the candlestick. And so if you look on the weekly, we want to see a daily bar close above it and a weekly bar, because this is a months-long trend. So zoom out from your 1 minutes and 5 minutes and pay attention to the daily and the weekly here at this all-time high. When those bars close above, now you have permission to go long, but not until. And that's the safe way to play it. Trade wisely. See you in the next video.